Hey everyone, it's March the 30th, 2013, and it's the opening day of spring turkey season. And when you know, of course, something like this always happens. When you're not expecting it, you're here for turkey, you bring a shotgun with bird shot or turkey shot, and this is what you see. Hogs under the feeder. Last year when I did this, I brought a rifle with me every time I turkey hunted. Hardly ever paid off. This year, I've come out here with just a shotgun, and lo and behold, I got pigs under the feeder. Dadgummit. Oh, it makes me sick at my stomach. Oh well, what can you do? If them suckers come my way and come close enough, I will be busting them with this turkey shot. I'm so disgusted. Oh well, I guess I'll just watch them eat. They'll be here for another time. I couldn't help it. It's been a long time since I shot a turkey, so I just let a Jake have it. I shouldn't have done it, but I did. Well, here he is. Like I say, he's just a Jake, but he sure is gonna eat good. There's his little beard. Kind of a thick little beard, but